The truth about full-ride scholarships. What no one tells you every year. Thousands of students dream of winning a full-ride scholarship where tuition, housing, books, and sometimes even living expenses are completely covered. But how realistic is this dream? Is a full-ride scholarship really a golden ticket, or are there strings attached no one tells you about? In this video, we're uncovering the truth about full-ride scholarships. We'll talk about how they work, who gets them, the red flags you should watch for, and smart strategies to increase your chances. Make sure you stay till the end. We'll also reveal 5 rare full-ride opportunities that are still open this year. Number 1. What is a full-ride scholarship? Let's start with the basics. A full-ride scholarship typically covers tuition, fees, room and board, and in some cases, textbooks, travel, and even a stipend. It's not to be confused with full tuition scholarships, which cover only tuition. These scholarships come from different sources: universities, merit-based or athletic governments, private foundations, corporations, military programs. But here's the kicker. Less than 1% of students receive full-ride scholarships in the US. It's extremely competitive, and often the competition is global. Number 2. Who actually gets full-ride scholarships? So who's getting these scholarships? Let's break it down. Academic merit. These go to students with exceptional grades, test scores, and leadership experience. Think valedictorians with a long list of extracurriculars, athletes, especially in sports like football, basketball, and track. But the pressure is high. Many athletic scholarships are performance-based and can be revoked. STEM prodigies. Students who excel in science fairs, Olympiads, or have published research before college often qualify for niche, well-funded programs. Minorities and underrepresented groups. Many programs aim to diversify campuses and offer full rides to first-gen students, low-income students, and marginalized communities. Artists and musicians, less common, but top-performing artists can secure full rides through conservatories or private art schools. But there's a catch. Even if you fit the profile, you must also apply early, build relationships with admissions officers, and tailor your application with intention. Number 3. The myths and realistic. Let's bust some common myths. Myth number 1. Only geniuses get full rides. Truth. While top scores help, many full-ride recipients win based on well-rounded applications showing leadership, resilience, or a compelling personal story. Myth number 2. You only need one good application. Truth. Most students apply to 10 or more scholarships before winning one. Persistence is key. Myth number 3. Once you win, you're set for life. Truth. Most full-ride scholarships require you to maintain a minimum GPA, participate in specific activities, or even major in certain fields. Myth number 4. If I don't get a full ride, college is unaffordable. Truth. Partial scholarships plus financial 8+ student work programs can cover just as much when stacked properly. Number 4. Red flags and things they don't tell you. Now, let's talk about what they don't tell you. Condition-based scholarships. Many full rides have strings attached. Miss a GPA requirement. You might lose everything after the first year. Mental pressure. Full-ride students often feel enormous pressure to perform. Burnout is real. Imagine knowing 1B could cost you your scholarship and your future. Fine print and repayment traps. Some scholarships, especially from private companies, may require you to work for them after graduation or pay back part of the funds if you drop out early. Limited availability by region. Many countries don't offer full-ride programs to international students, where they restrict them to very narrow fields of study. Number 5. Smart ways to improve your chance. Here's what you can do if you're aiming for a full ride. Start early. Begin planning in 10th or 11th grade. Keep a portfolio of achievements. Target lesser-known schools and private foundations. Ivy Leagues are great, but smaller colleges often offer better aid packages. Stack your strengths. Combine academics plus extracurriculars plus personal hardship plus community service equals a strong, balanced application. Tell your story well. A powerful essay about overcoming challenges can often beat a perfect GPA. Use recommendation letters smartly. Choose mentors who really know you, not just people with fancy titles. Apply globally. Countries like Germany, Norway, and some Asian nations offer fully funded programs to international students. Work with mentors. Ask past recipients for tips. There are Reddit threads, YouTube channels, and NGOs that help with applications. Number 6. 5 full ride scholarships you can still apply for. Here are 5 legit full ride scholarships still open or opening soon. The Gates Scholarship US 4. Low-income, high-achieving minority students covers all college costs. Scholarships Germany for international masters and PhD students covers tuition, travel, and living expenses. Knight Hennessy Scholars Program Stanford University full funding for graduate studies, open to all nationalities. MasterCard Foundation Scholars Program various African universities plus some in North America full ride. For African students committed to community development, Coca-Cola Scholars Program U.S. High School Seniors $20,000 scholarship. Renewable based on academic standing. Full ride scholarships are real, but they're rare, competitive, and demanding. Don't be discouraged if you don't get one. Focus on maximizing every opportunity available to you. If you're committed, organized, and willing to do the work, you can graduate debt-free or close to it. Drop a comment if you've applied for scholarships before or want help finding the right ones for your goals. Like, subscribe, and share this video with anyone planning for college. And don't forget to check the links in the description for a free scholarship tracker template and our upcoming workshop on winning scholarships.